Hey everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today again, guys. Thank you for watching the previous video that I dropped. Before I dig deep into this video, I just want you to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and if you have, please turn on the notification bell. Should next time I drop another video, you'll be able to see that I have dropped another video, guys. All the trades that have been coming in profit so far, and I'm trying to show exactly what I was doing to on this position, and so that you guys too can benefit from the strategy that I was using to get much from this market. So guys, I promise next video I'm gonna do on currencies too, guys. So we're just trading synthetic indices and also currencies, which is forex. So guys, let me dig deep into this video, and like I said earlier, if you have not subscribed, please, it doesn't cost you anything, just please subscribe. Please, yes, thank you for subscribing. And let's dig deep into this video. And what I'll be doing is I will be going firstly to the VIP channel so that you guys can see exactly what happened there before I dropped this wonderful signal. And you can see we have an eagle eye. We spot this from a very far distance. I'll show you that. Stay put to the video, and now let's go to the VIP so that you can see exactly what I was talking about, guys. This is the VIP. All right, you see today at exactly 12:35 p.m. I dropped this wonderful signal for crash 500, and also I dropped for boom 300, which came in profit. You can see this is for boom 300. It goes a lot deeper than this, but this video basically is focusing on crash 500 in this. You see, I sent the screenshot for those who are interested in scalping so that they can get it. So guys, you can see this is the signal. All right, so now I said they should add another position and scalp. All right, so now let's go back to the chart. So guys, this is the chart. You can see it has been going in profit for a while, and guys, this is how exactly I do it without wasting much of your time on this video. Now I go to D1 time frame. All right, see exactly what is happening on D1 time frame, guys. I love using arrow. All right, so see on D1 time frame we have this zone which was broken. All right, so we have a breakdown on this at this point here, which is the breakouts. All right, if you understand the breakout strategy. And also we have another strong support zone for this trade on D1, and probably it can go from here, which is the entry, to here or above. All right, because if we should check the whole market, you can see that it has been selling for a very long time, you see, but we are not a greedy trader. All right, we are not anticipating that, oh, when it gets here, no. What we're actually doing is just take from this current movement of the market. You can see clearly exactly what the market is saying because it's an uptrend. Now let's go to where we make our entry, but before that, let's go to H4 time frame to see exactly what is happening on H4. You see, you can see the trend that is going up, coming down, going up. So it's good to wait. I most times tell all my students that it's good to wait till market has been retesting. After retesting, then you give it a sniping entry so that you can be in profit. All right, and it's because I couldn't spot this earlier. That's why I came in at this point, and at the same time I had to wait so that the charts will get a bit above this, but I had to take it open the position at around this price of 5705. all right, and now see where it is actually. So now let's go back to another time frame because I love checking trades from different time frame, but I've shown you the exact thing that prompts me to take this signal, which is this. All right, you see, which is exactly what is happening on H1. All right, so your account, which is the equity of your account, will determine your position, and also will determine what exactly you can do to leave your trade for a very longer time. All right, So you see, it's very clean. Crash 500 index on D1 is a very, very clean chart. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lock in my profit with the lot size of 2.0. All right, lock in. Then I'll check for that of 5. Probably maybe I'll reduce it because it's going. I just want to scalp for this 5 lot. I just want to scalp, then leave the market. And it's because of this video probably I will have closed it, because I check it has been over $40 on each position. So guys, let's go to M30 time frame. You see, we are having a retesting zone. After retesting point, after retesting, then it keeps going up. You see, this is an area of retest. All right, after this retesting, then it keeps going back up. So for every trade, after going for a long trend, it will retest, keep going back up, retest, going back up. If it will actually keeps going up, and exactly see what happens here, it retests at this place. All right, now let me use this box. It retests at this zone. All right, after the retesting, it keeps going back up. All right, retest goes up, retest goes up. All right, that's exactly what happened at this point too. Retest and goes up. You see, that's exactly what is happening. So guys, this will be all for this video without wasting much of time. But please don't just go. Subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in getting free signals, check the description below and check join the Telegram group. All right, so when you join, there will be free signals dropping for currencies and also for synthetic indices. So guys, thank you very much for staying put to this time. Bless up and have a very good day. Bye.